Welcome to the Rolling Royalty Trucking Service channel. My name is Layla Smith. I'm one of the owners of the company. We provide services and sound business advice that help companies grow. It's a sad fact, but 90% of trucking companies fail within the first 3 years. Our goal at Rolling Royalty Trucking Service is to lower that number. Our mission at Rolling Royalty Trucking Service is simple: to provide high-quality services for our clients. Our team goes above and beyond to cater to each driver's specific needs. Through open communication and exceptional service, we hope you'll find what you're looking for with our trucking service company. We want to help those that fall within that 90% survive and thrive. Your service fee during those first 6 months is 12.5%. The industry standard is 7 to 10%. During those first 6 months, we will help you become profitable, teach you how to run your business successfully, and set 10 goals during the onboarding process. If your company can achieve those 10 goals, we will refund 2.5% of the fees paid back to you as a bonus. If you continue to work with us, your service fee will go down to 10%, and the 2.5% will become optional. Save, save, save. You should save at least 5% each week, but what we suggest is that you save all your profits to be able to achieve the goals that you set for yourself. All of our drivers agree to work hard, communicate with us, drive safely, listen to our advice, pay us on time, and work with us exclusively for 6 months. All of the paperwork you'll need to get started is a signed dispatch agreement, a power of attorney, a copy of your MC authority, insurance, W-9, 10 goals, driver contact and preference information for each driver, equipment worksheets for every piece of equipment you own, your current set of books, year-to-date profits and loss statement, and all business-related paperwork. We agree to work hard for you, listen to what your company has to say, help you grow as a company, communicate with you openly, help you achieve your goals, focus on your company's success as if it were our own, teach you how to run your trucking company successfully, send out invoices on time, improve your reputation by being the best representative of your company, send out reports every Sunday. Our services include, but are not limited to, 24-hour dispatching, cash flow management, bookkeeping, business plan development, employee management, record maintenance, carrier compliance, discounts, merchandise, roadside assistance. Later, I'll be making a video that breaks down each of our services in detail. You can reach us at www.rollingroyaltytrucking.com, by phone at 833-276-5546, email me directly at Layla_Smith@rollingroyaltytrucking.com. We're on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Next time, I will tell you 10 reasons why you should choose us as your trucking service company. Until next time, bye.